Want to create this stylish curved text effect? Here's how to do it in Canva. First, select an image for your design. And use the background remover tool to isolate your subject. Then download the transparent PNG. Re-upload the image to your design. Now open the Canva App Store and search for Tipcraft. Add your text and choose a font. Change the text color to white. Then use Tipcraft Curve tool to bend your text along your design's contours. Click Update Element when satisfied. Create visual depth by adding a black rectangle from the Elements tab. Paste your curved text onto it. Download this composition. Then re-upload it. Click BG Remover to remove the black background. Enhance the effect by going to Edit, clicking Duotone. Select the Cherry preset and set both colors to white. For finishing touches, search Shadow and Elements. Apply a subtle shadow to your text. Adjusting transparency for the perfect depth. Here's the final polished result. For more design tutorials, like and subscribe. See you next time.